I'm going to share with you today the two benefits of what running has done for me on my fat loss journey. Hey man, welcome to Who Up Next Fitness. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the notification bell, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you think. There is a link tree in the description down below. My social medias are there, my Instagram fitness page, also my TikTok fitness page as well. So don't forget to follow me there. If you didn't know, at the beginning of the year, I did start my running arc, as you may say. So I started training in January for the most part. Really started taking series in May. Ran my first 5K in not in March. I mean, I really started taking series in March. I did start running my first 5K in May. Just ran my second 5K as recently as yesterday, which was August 8th, 2026. If you don't know what a 5K is, that is a 3.10 mile run. Yes, 3 miles, 3.10 miles. So I will say the first benefit of it, for one, you burn body fat fast when it comes to running because it is a higher intensity cardio training level because you're moving more, your blood is pumping, your heart is racing, your your body's heating up. So when it starts heating up, that's when it gets to burning that body fat off, man. And when I say it is an absolute cheat code, it is an absolute cheat code, man. I've gotten so many benefits out of this running during this session. Here I am right here when I first started running, and I'm gonna show you how I look now. Um, when it comes to me running so far this year. What we're like 8 months in now. Um, it saves on time. It saves on time. Like I was at first I was like doing like walking, while on treadmill, incline and things like that. But I used to have to spend so much time doing it. It 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 was like golly, I'm doing like hour and a half, 2 hours walking and stuff like that, going to go walk 5 miles. So I'm spending too much time on. I was like, yeah, I'm getting kind of tired of doing this. Like I'm burning by the fat off, but I'm burning. It's burning slowly. And we live in a time now where everybody wants instant gratification, pretty much, and things that are fast. Not saying that this running journey has been some fast results in terms of how fast I'm running pacing wise, but I will say it has saved me a lot on time to burn the body fat off. It just does. I'm running 3 miles. When I first started, it used to take me over an hour. Now it takes me like 36 minutes, 35 minutes, something like that. It takes me about that amount of time to run a 5K. And I'm still burning as much calories as I was when I first started, you know? And then the more you get into it, the more miles you do start running, the faster you become, the more time you are saving to burn that body fat off. And especially on days where you have eaten more, you know, than you should have, you go run an extra little half mile on top of it, you'll burn it back off. Like I said, and it is quicker. You save on time. And the next thing is on that last part, we're going to segue into it allows you to stay in a calorie deficit longer than you will do with dieting. It will because you are moving your body so fast that you won't have to necessarily worry about how many calories did I eat today? How many calories did I do today? Did I eat over yesterday? Did I do this and that? When you got a running plan schedule, just go run. And then on the rest day, maybe you ate too much the that day before. Maybe go run an extra mile for that week. It's gonna steady just show the results are gonna show on a week to week basis that you're not gonna even miss those days where you make mistakes and overeat. And when you're always most people are, when it comes to like going into fat loss in the beginning, yes, dieting, eat less. I will say that. But over time, you will notice that your calorie maintenance levels will change, right? So when it changes, you're gonna know it changes because you're gonna start gaining weight. You're gonna start being in the surplus. You're gonna go into a surplus. You're gonna be like, man, I'm gaining weight again. Like, what's going on? It's because your body is smart. It's like, okay, you were eating 4,000 calories. Now you done resulted eating 3,000 calories per week. I mean, not per week, per day. Now it's like we're gonna just set the mark of this is where your body is eating 3,000 calories per day. You're gonna stall out, and then you're gonna in those days where you are eating more, you're gonna be like, man, I am gaining the weight back. So with the running, not only it's gonna save on that time, you're gonna be burning body fat faster because you're putting your body in an intense training session that you don't have to worry about always having to eat in a calorie deficit. The running will keep you in a calorie deficit. It just will. Because if I eat too much today, that means I have more energy level stored for tomorrow. That's gonna push me to run longer. And it's gonna push me to train faster. Because look at food like gas, premium gas, right? Look at it like that. If you ate too much the day before, you're gonna put a little bit much, you're gonna put some premium in your body. Now the next day, you're gonna be able to run longer. You're gonna burn those calories off plus more. And then by the end of the week, you're either gonna break even on how much you weigh, or you're gonna see the scale change where it goes down. And you're gonna not only see that on the scale, you're gonna see that visibly. Like you see visible changes in the mirror. Like you're gonna see it. You're gonna be like, wow, like, oof, this week I'm just steady doing it. It's an all around cheat code when it comes to running. It just is. I don't know how to really to convince you to go do it, but I want to convince you to go do it. Try it out. Download Strava, download Runner, allow it to give you some type of plans. See how many days you want to run a week. Start doing it. Now, don't cut out your other your cardio sessions, but start doing that, and you're gonna get the benefits that that you want. So those are my two ways so far of how running has dictated my fat loss journey. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment down below. Follow my social medias. My link tree is down there again to my Instagram fitness page, also to my TikTok. And I love y'all. Shalom.